Hello, this is GOODLIFE, a professional manufacturer of polycarbonate sheets in China. What you are seeing now is our warehouse, where we store original Bayer fire retardant materials used in our polycarbonate fire retardant sheets. This is the fire retardant material we use. Reliable fire performance starts with reliable raw materials. Now we compare two solid polycarbonate sheets. One is a 4.0 mm standard solid polycarbonate sheet without fire retardant additives. The other is a 4.5 mm fire retardant solid polycarbonate sheet. Both sheets are transparent. However, from the side view, the fire retardant sheet appears slightly whiter, while the standard sheet shows a bluish base tone. This difference comes from the fire retardant formulation, not from recycled or low-quality material. First, we test the standard solid polycarbonate sheet. Under direct flame, the surface turns black. After removing the flame, it does not immediately ignite. With continued heating, the blackened area may start to burn, but once the flame is removed, the fire quickly goes out. Now we test the fire retardant solid polycarbonate sheet. Under continuous flame for about 6 seconds, only a very small corner turns black. The affected area is much smaller, with no visible black smoke and no flame spread. Even after repeated ignition attempts, once the flame source is removed, the material self-extinguishes immediately. Next, we use a natural gas stove for a stronger comparison. On the left is the standard polycarbonate sheet. On the right is the fire retardant polycarbonate sheet. The standard sheet burns faster and with a larger flame. The fire retardant sheet burns much less. When the fire retardant sheet is lifted slightly away from the flame, the fire automatically goes out. Even after repeated exposure, once the heat source is removed, the fire retardant sheet self-extinguishes every time. Here we test polycarbonate hollow sheets. Left, standard hollow polycarbonate sheet. Right, fire retardant hollow polycarbonate sheet. The standard sheet ignites more easily. The fire retardant hollow sheet is much harder to ignite, and once the flame is removed, it self-extinguishes quickly. This is our warehouse with original Bayer raw materials. Here, you see Bayer UV stabilizers and SABIC UV stabilizers, used to ensure long-term aging resistance. This is our production line using SABIC polycarbonate raw material. Here, solid polycarbonate sheets are being produced. Our workers check light transmission and surface quality. This is our Italian OMIPA hollow sheet production line, with strict quality inspection throughout production. High-temperature equipment is unavoidable in many industrial environments. Using fire-retardant polycarbonate sheets as partitions can significantly reduce fire risks. At GOODLIFE, we use 100% virgin polycarbonate, Bayer or SABIC UV stabilizers, and Bayer fire retardant systems. This is the difference between low-cost fire retardant sheets and engineering-grade, long-term fire safety solutions.